Unidentified assailants shot dead the son of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Information Minister Mia Iftikhar Hussain outside his residence on Saturday evening in what is suspected to be a targeted hit by Taliban-linked militants. Provincial Chief Minister Amir Haider Houthi has ordered an immediate inquiry into the incident. According to Houthi, the 26-year-old Mia Rashid Hussain was shot by two men on a motorcycle as he walked outside his house. Investigations into the murder are underway, but family members are convinced that the incident was a targeted hit.
We
are taking all the precautionary measures we can, but we cannot part with our community and our public. We will continue our political activities. Such criminal acts of the militants cannot deter us from our war against them.
Military operations against militants in northwest Pakistan are being carried out at the directives of the Awami National Party-led provincial government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and hundreds of workers of the party, including two provincial assembly members, have been killed and the leaders survived in attacks widely attributed to their stand against militants.
The murder of Mia Iftikhar's son, he is the information minister of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province over here. He had been given a message, and the rest of the parliamentarians can look, if you have got the security or you are getting security for yourself, but we can find some soft targets also.
The federal government has also warned the militants might try to assassinate top officials and political figures of Awami National Party. Police officials also say Rashid's murder was a target killing, and an FIR has been registered against three unidentified men.
We can say the operation in the surrounding of Peshawar and the settled belt, as well as extra vigilance and security. Perhaps they are not capable enough to bring in more suicide cars and suicide bombers. So that is perhaps another way of targeting their rivals. So that could be one reason that they have now started target killing in those areas, perhaps where they could not have access because of a number of reasons, either because of heightened security or...
Over the past few years, militants have killed many people with alleged links to certain political parties or for simply supporting the so-called US war on terror. Funeral prayers of Mia Rashid Hussain were offered in Pabi under tight security arrangements. With the re-emergence of militants in the tribal regions of the country, analysts say the targeted killing of those who speak or act against them may rise. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.